welcome back. I'm Immaculate and I'm so happy you're watching this video right now. Today we'll be concluding on the leadership value attitude. Attitude is one of the leadership values, and if you want to lead yourself well, attitude is one of the values you want to watch out for. So attitude don't automatically stay good. When things don't go our way, it's easy for our attitude to slip and start to get negative. When that happens, I'm giving you 4 things that will help you to fix your attitude. And number one, take responsibility for your attitude. With each choice comes responsibility. Only you can choose a right attitude and only you are responsible for it. So when your attitude gets negative, don't look for others to blame. And don't even expect others to help you fix it. Own it and fix it. Point number 2, give yourself a timeline. Since you are in control of your attitude, you can determine how long you allow a bad attitude to hurt you. Bad attitude actually hurts. So start practicing the 24-hour rule. 24-hour rule is something that has helped me so well. So if you're feeling bad or that bad attitude is taking over you, complain about life if you want to. Cry if you want to. Wish life would be better if you want to. Do whatsoever you want to do, but don't let it exceed 24 hours. After the 24 hours, think positive thoughts, say positive words, and do positive things. Positive actions allow you to overcome negative feeling. That is the secret. Point number 3, manage your attitude daily. If you are conscious of your attitude, you know that you need to check it each and every day. Maintaining a right attitude is easier than adjusting a wrong one. So how do you do that? Start the day with a positive outlook. When you start the day with a positive outlook, it will help you to end the day with a positive outlook. So if I were you, I would mind what I say to someone in the morning. When you meet someone first thing in the morning, mind what you say, because what comes out of your mouth may ruin the person's day or it will fix the person's day. Point number 4, fix your positive attitude and staff your negative attitude. Everyone has positive and negative thoughts. That is the truth. Your goal is to increase the positive and decrease the negative. Your most prominent thoughts will control your attitude. So help yourself by consuming positive mental food. It could be reading books that encourage a positive mental attitude, developing friendship with others who live a positive lifestyle, or having conversations that uplift and not downgrade someone. So do good for others. When you do good for others, it will help you to develop that positive attitude. So what will it benefit you if you are conscious of your attitude, if you're making sure that you maintain a positive attitude? What will it benefit you? I want to tell you, if you have been enjoying life without checking your attitude, when you start to check your attitude, number 1, you enjoy life the more. Number 2, you inspire others. Number 3, you attract others that have positive attitude. Number 4, you show gratitude for people and life. You become more and more successful. So this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for subsequent video, and don't also forget to like this video. So together, let's reverse the negative portrayal of leadership and be the change we want in the world. See you in my next video.